Are you searching for the best motorcycle carburetor? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best motorcycle carburetor in 2024, which save you time and money.
Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. It's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. NIBBI PWK Racing Carburetor with PowerJet. NIBBI PWK Racing Carburetors with PowerJet for Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki motorcycle scooters. Precision design. Cone style. 360-degree air intake increases airflow into engine. High quality. Filter is non-woven, and the surface is wrapped with metal aluminum mesh, which is not easy to rust and can isolate dust particles in the air. High performance. Designed to increase air intake and acceleration. Accordion mesh design improves filtration process. Improves throttle response. Add more horsepower. 5-8 horsepower. Easy to install. Come with adjustable clamp. Quickly installed. For installation, please measure whether the installation size of your motorcycle is suitable. Aluminum alloy material. NIBBI carburetor adopts aluminum alloy material, which improves the durability and stability of the carburetor, avoiding problems caused by carburetor aging and corrosion. High quality, 100% brand new. Professional is highly recommended.